Hi everybody and welcome back to IC Arts and Crafts. It's me, Isla, and today, since it's spring, I thought it's a good idea for us to make a bird feeder out of corks. Your parents might collect them. My parents collect them and they drink a lot of wine lately. Let's begin. First, I'm going to take this board. If you don't have them, you can use corks for the bottom. But I don't have enough. So I am using the board. The first thing we're going to do is take our board and our cork and start gluing the corks to the board. Put glue all along one side of it. And then you're going to glue on the corks. Do the middle one first. And now for this one. It's okay if it goes off the edge. And I forgot to mention, if you don't have the board, you should do the bottom first. Now I will show you how to measure it. You are going to take a cork and put it like this. It will start where this cork ends, and then if it's too long, you're going to take your pen or marker and see when it ends. So it's about here. So now you have to get an adult to cut it. Let's cut it in 3, 2, 1. So do you guys like that magic trick? I cut 2 in half. Now to put them in, and I have to figure out which one goes where. This one goes in here, this one goes in here. Now let's glue them. So let's measure 2 of them. Let's start with this one. And get my marker. You don't have to do it all the way around. Let's cut them. I forgot to mention that you need 4 pieces of string that are about 1 foot long. So what you do with the string is take a piece and put some hot glue in a corner. Then stick the end of a piece of string in the glue and let it dry. Then it will stay still. Ta-da! This is how it turned out. I got an adult to tie it for me. But if you're good at tying things, you have to take all 4 of them and tie it at the top. So that's the end of today's video. Bye!